Stand or sit where you have an interesting view with objects at different distances from you, or look out of a window. And let yourself receive the view, let it come to you. Just receiving the colours and the textures, the form, the shape, light and shade. Letting your eyes gently move around, maybe using your nose feather, renewing your interest. And now becoming aware of the spaces within that, the spaces between the objects at a distance, the spaces between objects nearer in, and then the spaces of the objects back to you, so that you become included in the view. Stimulate your own peripheral vision, so that the whole space is present, right back to you. You might even have a sense of space behind you. Now be aware of where you're seeing from. Are you seeing from the front of the eyes? Let your sense of where you're seeing from come back to the retina, back to the middle of the head, even back to the back of the head, to the visual cortex. You can't, of course, make this happen, you can only invite it. And then you might have a sense of the depth of you seeing out to the world, and it might bring the world even into more depth perception, more 3D. From there, are you aware of your own internal spaces, the space to your hips, the space to your feet, and maybe your width between your hips, between your feet, so that everything comes into one expanded field of awareness, a unified field of awareness, in which the whole environment and what I'm seeing specifically and my awareness of self are all equally included.